came here to speak about the future of liberal democracy and the way liberalism and nationalism interact. We are facing a new era, especially today when there is the European elections, and it seems to be like nationalist forces all around Europe are getting more and more attention. So my attempt is to analyze the way nationalism now reemerges and the way it influences politics in Europe and elsewhere, and offer a way to combine national ideas with liberal ideas in order to make us realize that unless we liberal progressive, unless we interact with the nationalist discourse, unless we give answers to some of the very justified national demands, we're going to lose the political fight. So in many ways, it's a call for action for us, both theoretically and politically, to find ways of attending the needs and the demands of a lot of people who are felt left behind by globalism, by liberal progressives, to answer their call rather than to dismiss it, in order to create a new kind of political discourse in which we have maybe a chance to do better than we're doing right now.